everybody, happy hump day. It's Wednesday and I got another Theta Network update for you. We got tons of stuff to cover, so let's just not waste any time. So I got so many tabs to go through. So here we go. Let's go over that Theta news. First up, I like this one right here. Oh, let me zoom in. Man, well, I was not ready for this. Okay, there you go. You guys can see that. Mark your calendars because September 25th, the Edge Node for Android is launching on the Edge Cloud and distributed computing. And so, yeah, that we got a date. So in a huge leap forward for Theta, the mobile version of the Theta Edge Node for Android devices is scheduled to launch on September 25th, 2024. This release will feature a video object detection AI model that runs on consumer-grade Android mobile devices. So, wow, this is pretty crazy. Let's go through this article to learn a little bit more about it. I think I did kind of cover this a little bit, but we have a date, and this is going to be pretty crazy. So here we go. Let's go over this. So July 15th, 2024 update. And one of the biggest leaps forward in Theta's history, the mobile version of the Theta Edge Node for Android devices is scheduled to launch on September 25th, 2024. Now, for the first time ever, the Theta team has implemented a video object detection AI model that runs on consumer-grade Android mobile devices. Now, delivering true computational at the edge and enabling unparalleled scalability and reach, the VOD AI is a computer vision technique that uses AI to analyze video frames to identify objects by scanning video frames, looking for potential objects, and drawing bounding boxes around them. This process is similar to how the human visual cortex works. Now here we have some examples of it. Let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit for you guys so you can get a good look at these images. So here's the edge compute, the job results. We're seeing the AI, the object detection, and hey, look, someone just earned 0.1 T-fuel in that. So pretty soon Android devices will be having this option. Now, in the example above, the VOD AI can be used to label objects in a video, such as cup, sandwich, or fork, and dining table. In the future, each label could include the object's location in the frame, as well as a timestamp that indicates when the object appeared in the video. The VOD AI can also be used for video object tracking, which involves tracking an object's position throughout a video by analyzing each frame and drawing a bounding box around it. This technology has significant applications in the media and entertainment industry, particularly for user-generated content. Users that run the Edge Node for mobile app will earn T-fuel rewards for sharing their mobile computational power. So Theta's killing it, guys. Like the GPUs, the computational powers, like this whole thing has been in motion for so many years now. And now finally, like with AI and the new more technology boom happening, like Theta is really set themselves up good. Now here we have some more examples going on right here. Let's zoom out to give you guys a full idea what it looks like. So the settings, you can do devices on the Wi-Fi, devices charging, the node wallet. So users will also have the option to only run mobile edge jobs when the device is on Wi-Fi and is plugged in and charging. For instance, overnight while asleep, by having a global footprint of thousands of Android devices effectively means having 24/7 coverage to complete even the largest video object detection jobs. For example, if 30,000 mobile devices around the world join the Theta Edge network and each device is working for 8 hours overnight, this yields 240,000 hours of computational power in a single day. Whoa! By splicing a source video or a set of video into as much as 14 million segments and parallelizing across these 30,000 devices, even ultra-high resolution, complex, and lengthy videos can be processed seamlessly and effectively. This is truly groundbreaking computation at the Edge Node. Now, the Theta team invites you to participate in the pilot launch on the mobile Edge Node beginning in September and provide us with feedback across all social channels. And in the meantime, we encourage you to download and run the latest version of Edge Nodes on either your Windows, Mac, Linux, and join the Edge community. So yeah, get it download and start earning it. Share your computational value that you don't use, but this is pretty sick. Like you don't use your phone at night when you sleep. And if you just have it idle, you can be running those nodes for you while you sleep, and you're still earning T-fuel while you sleep. And and I was also seeing this article on how it can track the images. Bitcoin Ben's been talking about that for years on how you'll be able to make a purchase on your TV soon. Not soon, but your TV, you're seeing an object in a commercial. Oh, I want that. Click on it, buy it, get a crypto wallet on there. I think Theta's actually really getting to that point, but this is crazy. Let's continue this article. Now, the Theta Edge Cloud and the 10,000 plus active edge nodes around the world are the backbone that allows Theta to deliver fast, cost-effective compute work for AI and video applications over a decentralized network. Now, the goal of the Edge Cloud for mobile is leveraging up to 3.9 billion active Google Android devices for certain types of AI computational workloads. Androids today account for 70% of the mobile operating system market, shared across 190 countries, and provides an ideal platform to evaluate mobile CPU/GPU capabilities. This also sets up the opportunity to target over 150 million active Android TVs globally that run the Android TV operating system, from Sony, Sharp, Philips, and many more brands. While the average daily consumption of television today is around 3 hours, this leaves the device available the majority of the time for other types of computational and data sharing, especially as these always connected smart TVs increase CPU and GPU capabilities over the next decade. So they're getting a lot of nodes out there. Now, while intensive compute work is generally not feasible on mobile devices, today that is changing quickly. For example, TensorFlow Lite now enables on-device machine learning by allowing developers to run their trained models on mobile, embedded, and IoT devices and computers. It supports platforms such as embedded Linux, Android, iOS, MCU, and others. Now, in the near future, these devices will be able to process more and more complex computations and therefore become significantly more valuable as nodes on the Theta Edge cloud. Now, today's devices can already run certain types of jobs on the Theta Edge node, making the 3.9 billion Android devices worldwide a massive potential for an addition to the Theta Edge cloud. Now, in the future, with the ability to serve general AI, LLM inference, and text-to-image, among other use cases, mobile devices running edge nodes can serve an AI market valued at $200 or $200 billion today. $200 very time, but $200 billion, crazy. And the project to be worth more than $1 trillion in 2028. Now, the opportunity to shift compute intensive AI workloads to the edge as the cost of centralized GPU resources skyrocket from all major cloud services providers, but this remains a challenging technical problem. For example, NVIDIA recently announced a private AI chatbot for desktop running RTX on Windows PCs equipped with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 30 and 40 series GPU with at least 8 gigabytes of VRAM. Now, Theta Edge Cloud, when fully launched on 2025, aims to seamlessly integrate high-end GPU capabilities from cloud providers with billions of mobile and smart devices in addition to desktop laptops and unified AI structures. And this opens up a vast market to process on-demand AI workloads optimized for cost, quality of service, and privacy and the device capabilities. Now, the Theta engineer team is excited to initially test with Google's new experimental media pipe on devices, text-to-image generation, and the Android pilot launch for mobile. The team is evaluating the text-to-image generation based on text prompts using standard diffusion and models, as well as customized text-to-image generation based on text prompts using the low-rank adaptation weights, creating low raw weights required training foundation model and images specifically for it. And that's according to the Google developer site out there. But yeah, what was this one thing I was seeing about the GPU? Because I know Jieyi Long was doing something on. Because they were talking about a chatbot in that article, and Jieyi Long was talking about that right here on how he's excited to release code examples showing how you can build a chatbot using React/Vite in 5 minutes, powered by Llama 3, and deployed in Theta Network's Edge Cloud. So just definitely check it out when you can. So that was like what I saw in like this article right there, the chatbot and whatnot. So, just showing that out there. But no, this is a great article. I cannot wait for September to really see how this is going to play out and really affect the nodes out there with having all those devices running like just in the background. You're sleeping, Wi-Fi is on, just let's run. Like we already have 10,000 nodes of just people downloading it on their computer, running it, securing the network because they believe it. And yeah, so like now having these devices and you don't really have to do any work, it's just going to get crazy. So yeah, that was a pretty cool article right there. And speaking of Jieyi Long, we have another, if you don't know who Jieyi, he is a CTO of Theta Labs. Here's a nice little short little article about it. So this is from DPin Blogs. Today we introduce you to a profile of Jieyi Long, another co-founder and CTO of Theta Network. So let me zoom in on this so you guys can see it. And there we go. Jieyi Long, CTO of the Theta Network. Let's learn a little bit about him. Jieyi Long is a prominent figure within the decentralized physical infrastructure network, otherwise known as DPINs, industry. As the co-founder and chief technology officer of Theta Labs, he plays a pivotal role in driving the development of Theta's network and groundbreaking blockchain-powered video delivery platform. Long's expertise spans across various technical domains, making him a key contributor to innovations shaping the future of media and entertainment. I think some people in the comments are saying, hey, why aren't you mentioning the AI section? Because he's definitely brought a lot to the AI team. Now, he is definitely a well-rounded engineer with a passion for innovation. Long's academic background showcases a strong foundation in computer engineering. He holds a PhD in computer engineering from Northwestern University and a Bachelor's of Science degree in microelectronics from Peking University. Now, before co-founding Theta Labs, Long honed his technical skills through various research and industry positions. He served as a research assistant at Northwestern University, followed by stints at Magma Design Automation and Synopsys. His entrepreneurial spirit also manifested early on with the co-founding of MadSkill Game Studios. Now he is leading the charge in decentralized video delivery. In 2015, Long's focus shifted towards the DPINS landscape with the co-founding of Sliver.tv, which was now Theta.tv, an esports entertainment platform. This venture further solidified his interest in the video streaming industry and his expertise in esports entertainment platforms, a key area that Theta Network aims to revolutionize. Building upon this experience, Long co-founded Theta Labs in 2017 with a clear vision for revolutionizing video delivery through blockchain technology. Now, at Theta Labs, Long's technical expertise is an instrumental development tool with Theta Network. His contributions include work on Theta Edge Cloud technology, a novel approach to content delivery that leverages users' unused computing resources at the edge of the network. Theta Network itself disrupts the traditional model by leveraging blockchain technology to create decentralized video delivery network, and this innovative system empowers users to contribute unused bandwidth and computing resources while simultaneously incentivizing participation through rewards in the form of Theta, T-Fuel, or Levita tokens, which we do have some news on that. I think they partnered with Microsoft, and you know what? Why not? Let's just bring that up right now. So here we go. Bam. So yeah, so Levita, like they just partnered with Microsoft's partner program for AI cloud. So yeah, that's going to help the program will enhance their AI capabilities in healthcare and provide all those tools out there. So, but yeah, no. So yeah, it's pretty nice little article. Oh, it continues on. We're not done yet. He is also shaping the future of video delivery. Jay's long vision for Theta Network has the potential to reshape the way we consume and distribute video content online, and by creating a more efficient and cost-effective content delivery system. Theta Network offers significant benefits for both content creators and viewers. We have a case study of Theta Networks published on the blog soon, which will delve deeper into the technical aspects and potential impact of this groundbreaking. Now, it's true, like they are, like this does help for content creators as well out there. Let me find that little piece. Again, I had so many articles up here. Bam, right here. Andrea Berry. Yeah, she is the head of business development for Theta Labs, but she is at the LA premiere at Call Adida. It strategically got into the doors first, and she is so excited to finally see the featured film, which was funded via NFTs and Web3, and that was via Theta Network. So yeah, this entire film was produced. So they didn't have to go the traditional route of finding investors, getting that whole process going. Instead, they partnered with Theta. They had it even token gated, so these NFTs like funded the project so they can film it, pay for all the stuff they needed, and then only those ones who had those NFTs could actually watch it because it's token gated technology. So it's pretty crazy what's going on right now. But yeah, let's go back to, we're almost done with this article of Jay Long. Now, he is a technical leader with a global influence. Beyond his impressive academic credentials and professional experience, Long also maintains an active presence on social media platforms like LinkedIn and X, which was formerly Twitter. Now, this allows him to connect with a global audience and share his insights on the future of video streaming and blockchain technology. So a great little article there. Jay, keep up all the great work you do. We all appreciate here the Theta community is everything you do, all the whole Theta team. Even Gagnon out there, who became one of the community members of Theta Network. Just the whole team is killing it. Keep up the great work, and I'm just so stoked for the future of Theta. But all right, let's continue on. What else is happening? I think we're almost done. Yep, the last few things. We have a new Pops and Mags Pinecast out there. Love you guys. But after years of waiting, High Games Hub stops by the Pinecast to talk Theta. His start on Theta TV, work in the sandbox games, and the new Battle Pugs drop, which is set for Friday. Check it out wherever the fine Pinecasts are available and downloaded. And yeah, Highs Gaming was like, it was a pleasure to have finally been able to jump on the Pops and Mags Pinecast, tune in to listen to the raw conversation of the Battle Pugs project and my journey thus far. And yeah, Battle Pugs, we have the drop happening in like 2 days. Let's see, now let's go back. Thought I was on the back page for this one. Let's get that final date for it. Yep, 2 days, 6 hours, 11 minutes, and 15 seconds. And yeah, they're really a part of like this this project really was game. I haven't really tried the game out. I think they used it in the sandbox. But here's the new Aquatic Edition, $60 in pre-funded, and there's an auction right here for the Kingdom Below. Let's get the details on this guy. So it is a game that you can play. So beneath the water of Bony Bay lies a realm stepped into mystery and guarded by untold secrets. For intrepid few who venture its steps in, ancient FT serves as both a guide and key. So yeah, this is an FT as both a guide and a key to be able to access. Possessing this NFT grants access to a year-long journey from August 2024 to August 2025, where explorers will acquire exclusive battle pugs, level up potions, and in-game items as whispers of the hidden kingdom echo through the caves. So yeah, if you guys have tried the battle pugs game, let me know down in the comments below. I want to hear your experience with it. Is it fun? Did you have to play on the sandbox? I think that's where it started off as. But yeah, let me know your experience with it. And should I get involved, maybe play a little bit and make a video of it, live stream it. We'll see. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on it. And yeah, I think we have one more thing to cover here on the Theta news out there. Yes, it's from Smoked Fish, aka Max Theta from Camp Theta. But yeah, there's only 6 tickets to Camp Theta, which are minted every year. That guy _Theta is accepting offers right now on his ticket. Now, this is an all-inclusive luxury camping on his private lake, world-class fishing, forest table dining, open bar, axe throwing. There's so much more. And it takes place August 23rd to 26th, 4 hours north of Toronto. So yeah, if you want to try to get a ticket there, that guy Theta is selling this. If it's still available, go grab it. And maybe one day I'll be able to get there, because yeah, it'd be so fun to hang out with some other Theta guys, which I do gotta go to the ThetaCon this year. Well, it's Bitcoin Benfy and buy my ticket, because he's going to Nashville 2024. Well, at least let me go to ThetaCon 2024, right? Yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to go there this year and yeah, enjoy hanging out with all you guys. But that is about it for this Theta network update. Price of Theta is at $1.53. Nice going up. T-Fuel is at 7. I can't tell when I checked for that price. The Theta being staked or locked away is at 47.3%, and T-Fuel stake is at 40.2. Transaction still around the 350,000 transaction time. But yeah, so that's that Theta network for you. Like I said, kind of a long video, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if so, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.